Have you ever felt like your salary disappears the moment it hits your account? You're not alone. But what if I told you that with a clear, step-by-step plan, you could start transforming that same paycheck into real, lasting wealth in just 6 months? In this video, we're diving into a practical, no-fluff strategy that anyone can follow, regardless of income level. Whether you're earning $500 or $5,000 a month, this guide is designed to help you shift from living paycheck to building financial momentum. The first step is financial clarity. You need to understand exactly where your money is going. Most people underestimate their spending and overestimate how much they save. So for the first 2 weeks, track every single expense. Use a spreadsheet or an app like Mint or YNAB. Once you have clarity, create a zero-based budget where every dollar has a purpose: rent, bills, debt, savings, investments, and fun. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, renegotiate bills, and limit impulse buys. This doesn't mean living like a monk. It means being intentional. The goal here is to free up at least 20% of your salary to redirect toward building wealth. Now let's talk about debt, especially high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card balances or payday loans, this should be your first target. Use the avalanche method. Tackle the highest interest debt first, while paying minimums on others. If your debts are overwhelming, consider consolidating them into a lower interest option. Once that's handled or being managed, it's time to build your emergency fund. Start with 1 month of essential expenses, then aim for 3. This acts as your financial cushion, protecting you from setbacks that derail your progress. By month 3, shift your focus to investing and side income. Open a brokerage account and start investing. Even $50 a week compounds over time. If your employer offers a retirement match, take full advantage. Simultaneously explore one income-boosting side hustle that aligns with your skills: freelancing, affiliate marketing, flipping items online, tutoring, or even leveraging AI tools for digital gigs. All extra income should go toward either debt, savings, or investments, not lifestyle upgrades. In month 4 and beyond, double down on automating your wealth-building habits. Set up auto transfers to savings, auto-invest in index funds, and automate bill payments. This reduces decision fatigue and ensures consistency. Also, start tracking your net worth monthly. It's the real scoreboard of financial progress. Celebrate small wins and adjust your strategy based on what's working. By month 6, you'll notice something powerful. Your salary is no longer just for survival. It's our tool you're using to build freedom. You've created a buffer, built assets, and maybe even unlocked new income streams. But it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about being smarter with what you already earn. Wealth isn't just about how much you